Brenda! Brenda! Very stupid. Now you're very stupid to ask me that stupid question. So wait, it has gone to this extent that I can no longer have breakfast in my own house before going to the office. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry, love. I've been feeling very weak lately. I wanted to make...
Oh, shut that thing you call a mouth there. I'm sorry, love. I've been feeling very weak lately. All you do in this house is to sleep around, lazy around over the place. What's wrong with you? You're forgetting that you are a married woman. You're saddled with the responsibility of taking care of me, your husband. What is all this? Why are you doing as if there is something so serious that's happening? Are you the first woman to get miscarriage? No, answer me. Are you the first? I am talking to you.
You're talking to me like that. What is wrong with you?
Are you mad? Is there something wrong with your brains? Oh wait, are you trying to call me a lunatic?
This.
Oh, that nonsense. What is wrong with you? Now you just listen to me. This is my house. I married you. I paid your bride price. So don't you ever try to talk back at me. Do you understand?
You slapped me. Jerry, it's me. It's me you're treating like this.
Doing this rubbish you just did today, you will not get your weekly allowance for 2 weeks. Rubbish.
Jerry, it's me. Jerry! What?
Yes. I want a clean job. No loose ends. I will send you half of your payment now. You will get the other one once the job is done. Yes. Please, I repeat, no loose ends. I don't want any mistakes. Please.
Your visit is impromptu. What is going on?
Jerry called me all sorts of names just because I didn't serve him breakfast.
Brenda, I must tell you that something is really going on. There is something happening in our both families. Will you believe that my husband slapped me because I told him I wanted a baby?
Just that.
Exactly. Listen, telling him that I want a baby is like a normal thing. It's just a plaything we talk about. You know, we laugh about it. But this time, I saw his face. It was like he was being manipulated. Something is trying to tear our families apart. And we should join hands together to fight whatever that is. Okay?
Sure.
We need to be prayerful. We do not need to let this thing happen. Alright?
Okay.
Everything is going to be fine. Okay?
Oh God.
Just calm down. Because everything is going to be fine. Okay?
I pray so.
My dear, this is not ordinary.
Pipito si clip. Then we will go. I said before you now you, after you now you. Simple now, if the person will go say make this man leave, he will leave. Anybody will say make he go overboard, I don't buy that person. Simple, I grab. I go and look chibuchilu zo malansia. Abarane bu madu weko no nyanyera aka. Simple, I grab. Everywhere is to everywhere marama. Everywhere sengemenge. Simple na my name. If you volume, I dey hear you. I say if you cough, I go buy men. Men go yakata. Simple. Anytime when you talk, I dey lap you now. I dey with you 24 hours of the day. Also, never walk one none of there. I be like,
I dey target videos. I need to look up too much.
Simple. This one na confirm now. This activity na me dey run am now. I go run and clean mouth. I go chop and woto. I go chop and woo clean mouth. See make I reason you. Anybody, anything we go stop this. Anything we go stop am, I go lutu. In fact, I go buy anything. I go make sure say anything we block we make this thing, this activity no go sengemenge. One nga wipe ya. I go samaram.
Boy, you know they cap anyhow now. They drop 1 or 2 lines. You go still reach there now. Go they do anyhow. You know say you the buga.
How about you the reason when I dey talk now? How about they talk if I the reason now? Why you make you close that mouth where they call go to they stop you now? Close them. Simple now you are the here. Now you are the respect. I dey on your service 24 hours.
Activity, the army. I go to Abuga. Go there, go Zuzu. Huh? About go collect. Me personally go do woto. About the army.
There are you.
I go drill to porosly. I might go test me Tunde. Nobody go know.
But simple, I still remain loyal to your service. But still remember say, now me be a boy. Now maybe that boy, that small boy will get high voltage. If I dey voltage like this, people dey clear road. See, simple. I reason you say this activity I go run and clean mouth. I don't get fear. I don't feel lose God now.
About if you lose guy, you go collect. About bust around.
I say make you throw pass, I go contact. You sure see be as at the match like this. I go show you that thing what's the reason you say na me be small boy, big voltage, high voltage. Senior collect them.
You see baby. Deliver.
A boy no go F. I know why they cap you like this so because if you F now me go treat your F for you. I know they cap you now. Do this thing, chop and clean mouth. So.
Senior, you go hear scores. You go hear scores.
I see they supposed to be.
This guy, now me pacing now. This one when they cap say now me go treat him for.
Like in Jones.
You want to see they beam me?
Like in Jones. Anybody where Jones will collect. You know what I mean?
Fine, I dey pay.
You still.
That's they do.
You don't make it. Nobody good there.
And they cap you say guys they do me for body. They tell me I'm very good.
You are still on the move.
You go wrong on that's the
I still on the move for body, so okay, I know.
Now the news in details. The federal government has given directives to curb the pandemic ravaging the country. The Nigerian Center for Disease Control, NCDC, has urged every citizen to wash their hands regularly with soap and running water. Making use of alcoholic-based sanitizer, avoiding crowded places, avoid touching objects and use of nose masks. The minister who made this statement ensured that the pandemic will soon be a thing of the past. Also, urging every citizen to pray for the nation. The federal government, through the Minister for Works, has assured crests of job opportunities to each citizen to curb poverty ravaging the country. Furthermore, he said making cash funds available for traders is being put in place. The Minister for Food and Nutrition has advised that consumption of more than one egg by a person is totally wrong. He further said that each person is to consume one egg daily.
I'm glad you liked it. I'm glad.
Gunshot as killer invades streets. Killed one Mrs. Brenda Jeremiah.
I'll have to call you back.
What? My wife? No. Brenda, no, this is not possible. Gunshot, I could. Phone. This is not true. No, this is not true. Somebody pick this call. Somebody should pick this call up. Let me call my. God, this is not true. This cannot happen. No, definitely not my wife. Brenda, pick up this call. This news cannot be true. Brenda, pick up. This is not true.
Simply to, senior man, I beg. I know sir not there. But I dey beg you, may you tamper justice with Chivita. You know, say even for Bible, they talk and say, person will sin, they go forgive her. See, Samson, Jehovah used Chivita canvas to give him another chance. See as he be, I enter there now. Consider them, they look alike. You know, some people, they resemble people. When them peer go pierce the person.
Come and maintain also. Aboy, I say make you maintain. Aboy, ordinary bye activity. Aboy, now you know if set pass. My boy be say small pikin where they crawl or close eye deliver. Aboy, you know fit. Aboy, like this you don't lose guard. And me I clear for you say if you lose guard. If you lose guard, you go buy my market. I clear you as they be.
Baby, now today me I know say as they be you be reason am. But see as it be now, unless I don't help. I don't help, I know nobody pass to help. See, I dey talk and sing, I dey play talk and sing for Bible. Even when Samson help, Jehovah carry TV and chill down. Also give a second chance. As it be, I want me you follow the bet in your man. Come on, them
there. I said them there, boy. Boy, I cap you as they be. I cap you say make you no go there, go F. Boy, you still go there, go lose guard. And like this say, as you don't lose guard, I go drill you with toporosi. You feel me? I go drill you so say your mind go test no Sunday, nobody go know. The year when they cap you so.
Boy, senior man, boy, Bostara.
Senior man, I still dey fair. I say Bostara, the Jones. Let that come Jones. I will come on, Bostara, say Bostara fight. Senior man, I say Bostara. I will move. I will not move. Senior man, tamper justice. For this time around, I should tell you how you Jones. How about you go collect? You hear me? You know,
Ready for you.
why you Jones? Well, I take you collect. Nobody could take the juice.
You don't F, and anybody will F. Let's. You don't commit. I'm using you as the matter you be. But based on say you na nigga wey dey do anyhow.
Which kind of life is this? I don't tire for this one. See as I dey suffer for waiting I don't know about. Any person where he chook hand for my matter. Never go unpunished. I never feel like this before. I know even feel sleep for night
outside, go clear Baba God as me. They hear me.
I know one serve you, no be by force. Oh. I know one serve you, leave me alone.
Jerry,
I know one serve you, no be by force.
I understand what you're going through.
I know one serve you,
But you have to take it easy on yourself.
I mean, Brenda was my very good friend. But you have to take it easy on yourself, please.
Do you know what it feels like to lose that one person that you loved so much? Brenda was everything. She was my wife.
Brenda was my friend. But
This weekend was a dream. I just wish. I just wish she's somewhere. She's inside lying down, or in the kitchen, or somewhere else. Or maybe she just went out. But it's fine. Everything is fine.
okay. No matter what you do, Brenda is not coming back. I understand. I do. She was my friend. I do. I'm sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. Everyone is fine. Brenda is fine. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay.
Sorry.
Everything is fine.
Sorry.
Brenda is fine. Everyone is fine.
Tony, have you heard?
Heard what?
Oga's wife was shot dead yesterday.
Excuse you? Lillian, God forbid. God forbid! God will forbid it. Because I don't buy this expensive joke.
And why will I be joking with such a thing?
No. This is way too costly.
I heard it in the news.
What? Excuse me. I don't buy this cock and bull. I don't buy this fairy tale. I don't. Bring another hand.
Tonya, I'm very sure. News have it that the killers missed their target and mistakenly shot her.
Jesus Christ. You know what? Babe, I still don't buy this one.
Okay.
It's way too expensive.
Let's watch and see if Oga will come to the office today. Please.
Till then. Oga's wife. Jesus Christ. Oga's wife? Oga's wife I even saw the other day. This one no enter at all. Dead. Shot. Missed targets. Lillian might be right too. Oga's wife shot dead. This is a cocoa and bowl I won't buy you. I'm still yet to come to reality with this news. Oga's wife. Hi! This life, oh! Hey! And to think I saw her the other day. Such a nice woman. Oga's wife. Hey! Oh, the kwegu. Lillian! Lillian! Lillian!
I warned you, but you refused to listen. It is unfortunate that she had to pay for your own foolishness. Now listen to me. If you decide to leave this town and cut off every communication you have with my ex-husband, I might decide to let you leave. But if you choose to do otherwise, expect my return. And I promise you, this time I am not going to make any mistakes. I am not going to miss it. Trust me. Nonsense.
Them. They don't be sending the gist. They don't be sending the gist now. Come now. Go back to the phone.
Jeremiah.
Oh, hello. Jeremiah, ma'am. It's okay. Jeremiah, ma'am. So this is true. It is true. Don't tell me it is true. Yes, Yoku. Hey! They have succeeded. They have succeeded in killing my daughter-in-law. Ewa! Daddy! So you have done it. You have finally killed my son's wife. You have killed my son's wife, Tony. Eh? Hi!
Mama?
Yes! You think I don't know? You attacked my son in his office. As if that wasn't enough. You killed his wife. Tony! You killed your brother's wife. But listen to me. You will never have peace. You will never have peace, Tony. Hi.
Angela.
You will never have peace.
Angela! Hi. Angela, what exactly are you talking about?
Look at her. Pretender.
You called my son Anthony a ritualist?
Look at you. You think I don't know? You think I don't know? It was all your plans. Yes! It was all your plans. But you have failed. Whatever you and your ritual son have done must return back to you in double folds.
Stop that, I beg.
Oh.
I don't like the way you talk sometimes.
Shut up! You don't know your sense again. You're not with your senses again. Ekubo, you know more than the whole village. For years, you're wandering around. Eh? Who knows if their hands are not in it? Who knows if their hands are not in it? Eh? Is it not clear to you that him and his wife have used your brother's wife for money rituals? Is it not clear to you?
Are you there?
Hi! Chinekebo! Chibo! Hi! Tony!
Angela, what has come over you?
Mechiano!
What has come over you?
Are you pretending? Eh? Why are you pretending? Don't you ever open that gutter you call a mouth and refer me as your mother. Blood-sucking demons! Blood-sucking demons! You and your wife You have killed your brother's wife. You have killed your brother's wife, Okuya. You and your wife. You have used my daughter-in-law for money rituals.
Mama, stop this.
Mama, stop this. Mama, stop this. You will never have peace. You will never have peace. What? Stop this. Chibo. Villagers. Not talking demons. Villagers, they have come again. They have come to suck another blood, oh. They have come. I'm going to go happy. Don't have been go happy. I'm going to go happy. You have killed my son. You have killed my son. You are your wife. You are your wife. You have killed my husband. Hey, you doing this? Chineke Namo. Hey, go and eat his corpse. Go and carry her corpse and start eating it.
Mama, stop this.
You have to hide. You think I don't know? I know all your plans. You are your wife. You have used her. You have used her for money to stop here. Hey, but my God will fight you. My God will fight you. Hey, Chineke Namo. Hey, villagers, una waru kiti ya neme. Una waru kiti ye. Don't like this. Hey, Chineke. You have used her for money to stop here. Hey, but my God will fight you. My God will fight you. Hey, Chineke Namo. Hey, villagers, una waru kiti ya neme. Una waru kiti ye. Don't like this. Hey, Chineke.
Tell me the truth. Did you kill your late brother's wife for money ritual?
Mama, did you just ask me if I killed my brother's wife for money ritual? So in other words, I'm a ritualist. Mama, in other words, I, Tony, your son, is a ritualist. That I killed my brother's wife. Mama, you said this to me.
No, my son. I am not saying that you are a ritualist.
Aye.
My son, I just want you to tell me the truth. I need to know the truth. Please.
Mama, should I say you disappoint? No. You break my heart. Mama, just listen to yourself. That I, Tony, will look for everything in this world to do. And then I will fall back to being a ritualist. Mama, I'm surprised at you. Mama, I was at home. I was in my house when the news was circulating that she was shot by killers. Huh? And now you look at me in the face and tell me that I'm a murderer, I'm a ritualist, that I killed my brother's wife for ritual. Mama?
Mama.
No, it's alright, no problem.
I know Brother Tony. He can't kill a fly, let alone killing someone. Besides, why would he kill his brother's wife? Why, Mama?
No, help me ask Mama. Help me ask Mama why I should abandon every responsible thing I should do, and then the only thing that comes to my mind is to kill my brother's wife. For money, for... Mama, no problem.
I know, my son. I know. But I am not just okay the way your stepmother is spreading the news all over that my son Tony killed her son's wife. I am not comfortable.
Mama, who cares now? Why are you drinking Panadol on someone else's headache? Who cares? Let her go ahead and continue to talk. Let her go to Facebook. Let her go to WhatsApp, Instagram, what do you call it? To go, TikTok. Let her go everywhere on social media and start saying bullshit. I know, you know full well that I did not kill my brother's wife. So what is the yes? Why are you stressing yourself? Huh? Why are you stressing yourself? Are you going to continue to drink Panadol on someone else's headache? I don't understand. Mama told you.
Not saying what? Okay.